I'm Eugene Fowler with SENJU Sprinkler. In this video, we're going to talk about the unique benefits of our most popular residential sprinkler. A huge advantage of SENJU Sprinkler's RC-RES is its ease of installation thanks to the protective cap's innovative design elements. First, the tolerance limit to the ceiling level is clearly marked on the protective cap, and small bumps are added to fasten to the head with just the right tension. Another great feature is that the diameter of the cap is slightly bigger than the sprinkler cup. When the time comes, the sheetrock crew can carve out a perfectly sized hole that fits the diameter of the cover plate's retainer. A contractor can also install our head the fastest because, unlike any competitive sprinkler, our cap has a custom opening for the socket to fit through and install seamlessly. Simply attach the socket to a wrench and slip the socket through until it's locked into place. Tighten normally and remember not to exceed 21 foot-pounds of torque. With SENJU sprinkler heads, a contractor saves 2 steps of removing and later reinserting the cap multiplied by the total number of sprinkler heads on the job. As an added bonus, this also provides a safety feature as the sprinkler's deflector and inner components are protected from the moment they are packaged at our manufacturing facility to when they are ready to be trimmed. Ultimately, this means no more time spent tediously reinforcing protective caps to the heads with tape. No more time and money wasted on returning to a job site to secure flimsy caps that have fallen off. No more unflattering holes in the sheetrock and time spent to repair them. Less time, less labor, and less room for error equals more profit for you, the contractor. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos from SENJU Sprinkler.